So our pig head, we're on to step 2. We ate the ears. Now we're on to the eyeballs, and I got a setup here for eyeball tacos. First, we got to get the eyeballs out of the pig head. What is the right way to do that? I'm just getting the butter knife. Just dig around the eyeball. But I think we might be up. Oh, there she is. Well, that's an eyeball there. Ooh, that's good. We're gonna spin our head around and we're gonna do the same thing for this one. Dig in, don't be shy. There we go, that one's a lot better. So this eyeball we got out a little bit easier. This one's still good though, we're still gonna use it. We'll keep our eyeballs to the side right now. So we're gonna start with our wrap, tomato basil wrap, cut her in half. I got a little bit of store-bought bagged vegetable slaw, that's it. This will give a good crisp crunch. I got some pickled onions here I put in here earlier today, just some apple cider vinegar, some peppercorns. Throw them right on there, or you can also buy store-bought pickled onions. Who would have thought? I got some blue cheese, because I love blue cheese. Fresh cilantro. Cilantro goes on tacos, right? Then we got our eyeballs. I'm doing 1 eyeball per taco. Finish her with some sriracha. We got ourselves some pig head eyeball tacos. So now I'm going to take the one eye that we got out whole. We're going to get a little bit more of the eyeball, I guess. Wrap it like a taco, man. That's a good taco. Look, if you're even thinking about eating an eyeball taco, you should anticipate it's gonna be a little chewy. But there's a lot of good stuff going on in this taco. The acidity from the pickled red onions, the crunch and crisp from that cool vegetable slaw, and you combine all that with a little pop from that smoky pig eyeball. It's good, man. It's something different. So we did the ears, we did the eyes. We're going down to the snout next. Stay tuned for that video.